Hey everybody, welcome to this Fortnite API tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about / command handler. So in last episode, we had still a command on the automatic register, but in this video, we'll be making the automatic handler. So first, we're gonna get rid of those things, and we're gonna be copying there. So this code will be in description. So here I'm gonna change this to /.json. Saving it here for console client command. Yep, that was correct. Set there. Okay, so right there. And after that, I'm gonna do a client commands dot values for each console log command, and we're gonna test this. So right here you can see there's still an error right there. I save. I think there's an error. So right there. So this is there's an error right here. So I'm gonna reopen my code I was using just before, and we're gonna get right into it. So index here. Okay. So here, okay, let me look through code. So we got events. Let me just look at this. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is here client console log file content. Here, this first console log file content, and we're gonna test right there. So here you can see that we get the data. So right now we're only getting so it's perfect. We're gonna remove this, and we're gonna do a client application commands dot create file content there, and now it should work. You see we have the automatic handler for this. And now for this part, we're gonna add later on. So first we're gonna add the handlers. So handlers, and we're gonna create one for map, for example, map.js, and one for news.js. And I'm gonna transfer our code to avoid having to redo everything. So we're gonna take our code right there. We're gonna get back into it just a second after. Just take here, there, and in news. Okay, right there. So this part we're gonna remove, and we're gonna do a client commands get wait client here const cmd command was await application get interaction dot command name here, and we're gonna get here console log command here. So let's redo it right here. Do the slash map. Okay. So here's the problem with this part. Here, it's always creating. So we're gonna test if client dot application dot commands get file content dot name return console log. Exactly. So this is why I'm getting this is because I've GitHub Copilot. So I'm good for now. Let's test this. So why am I getting this? Client application dot commands get. So let me check. What do I have? Fetch. Let's test. Okay. Command map already exists. Command ID. Where am I getting this error? I'm gonna catch where should this work. So value map. Let's test. So we're getting an error here. So need to catch this error. Catch console error. So let's test. Normally we should get the same message. So command ID value is not snowflake. So why am I getting this? Let's first console log. You get better by console logging everything, okay? It's not just because I don't know, it's just because it's a way for to get better by understanding the problem. Not just copy, pasting. So here there. Normally, okay. So value map is not snowflake. So it seems like we're gonna go read the docs. Okay. So client application command fetch Discord JS. Let's get directly in the docs. Client dot application client application dot commands dot fetch. Okay, there. So here it seems like we can't so here okay, so here we're gonna be commenting it out before we do this part. So first what we're gonna do is remove this, and we're gonna get cache get file content name, and we're going to be testing this. Normally, if I remember, this is okay. So what can we get? Where are the parameters here? File content name. Let's hope. Okay, so this is the correct way. So we're gonna add this to here, and we're gonna remove this, save, relaunch once again. Hope it works. Why is my program not restarting? Okay, so we're getting false still. So what can we do? First, we're gonna console log this to see what we get. Okay, so we get. Okay, so that's all right. So let's remove this. Normally, we're all good. Normal. So there. Okay, it's all good. Maybe it will not work on the next. You need to recharge later on, but it's better. Okay, so now what we need to do is quite the same. Let's not say exactly the same, but we're gonna be pasting it here. Const. So here we're gonna be changing it to JSON tier, and here JSON tier. Again here JSON tier, and here. Okay, so we're gonna be changing it to handlers, and we're gonna change this right there. We're gonna add client.handlers equal new Discord collection, and we're gonna do a client.commands.set file name there. Okay, so normally this is okay. Let's just add a console log there. Let's check. Okay, so this is the problem we're going to be getting furthermore. So what we need to do right now is to add a module.exports. Module exports. We're going to be doing right there. Let's open, for example, right there. We're going to take this part, copy, and putting the code also in description as usual, and mostly on the Github, but it's okay. I'm just gonna format the document right there, way better, and normally Okay, so I need to do the same for here. I reformat the document, make it cleaner. Normally, here we have the loaded handlers. So we're all good right now. What we need to do, finally, is on the client on interaction. Here, so what we need to get here, let me check. So here, we're gonna change it to client.handlers.get interaction command name, and we're just gonna console log. Furthermore, so here is the problem I was hoping to not face. The problem with this is it's still registering every time. So this is why we get this error. We need you can still I'll need to change this in the next episode. For the moment, it's still okay because it's registers the command. So what we're gonna do is map. I want to do the map. If during the test it doesn't work, you expel, and I'm gonna be re-adding Discord. Fortnite API tutorials. Discord permission calculator. Okay, this time it should work. We just need to I'll be making it better next time if adding a better command header, but it's okay. So right there, normally you see here. Okay, so why am I getting this? I'm gonna check in my code what I did last time. So here on it's not in this file, sorry. In the events, normally we have the interaction.create, and we're gonna get client commands. It's a get, so I did that. Interaction. So there's problem. There is, oh, I see why. Here it's handlers. Okay, normally we're all good. Let's check. Fuck this problem, man. This is really an urgent thing, so I'll need to change it to. For the time being, using it like this, but I'll promise I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna do something for it. So here we have the run, and we're gonna add if command await command dot run interaction, and here we're just gonna remove the length parameter. We don't have it right now. And we're gonna add a client app enter client first, and finally we're gonna add else interaction. Yeah, exactly, with the content variable. There we go. Normally we're all good. Let's check this. So we need to re-kick the pot. Sorry for that. Let's redo this. Normally this time we are all good. So get here, accept. As you can see, now that we do map, why does it not work? Oh, that's why. So I need to add, let's add those parameters up there. I'm just gonna run a format document. Better. There we go. So I'm gonna re-kick once again. I'm sorry for all this thing. I promise normally in the next video it'd be sorted out. So here we can do the map command. Let's hope this time it works. And as you can see, this time we have this. And we can even go here and remove this because we're going to be adding it in our handler. There. We're going to add it right there, here, console, shulk, array, here, interaction, dot guild, dot ID, there, and the interaction user ID. There we go. This is exactly what we want. You can check. I'm gonna check it for the purpose of this video. So dev, you can type. Okay, you can check by doing this map here. You can see executed command map here. So I really suggest using Github Copilot. You can have, there's the link in description for that. It's all for today. Thank you a lot for following this tutorial till the end. In the next episode, normally I will be making new commands, fixing the handler, and many other things. Thanks for following till the end, and I'll catch you in the next video. Subscribe and leave a like, and see you guys in the next video.